ya kuhagura gavana wa Meru Kawira Mwangaza ni temanitio mbunge-inĩ ya kaunti yo kuria iracirirwo umuthi ni ma MC ya mbunge. Gavana Kawira Mwangaza uria uhetwo mweke wa gwikinyia mbunge-inĩ ya kaunti iyo niguo gwitetera atumite wakiri wake Danstan Omari uria ugukorwo akimutetera kumana na thitango iria temanirio. Dereti ya kuhagura gavana Kawira Mwangaza ithugunditwo na igatemanio mbunge-inĩ mutongoria wa Reige Evans Mawira.
There where that count, allow me to take you to Article 75 of the Constitution, which states on how state officers should conduct themselves, and it reads about Article 1, compromising any public or official interest in favor of a personal interest, or demeaning the office that is the CEO of this county. And we can also see, Honorable Speaker, where it states, that is about Article 2, a person who contravenes Clause 1 or Article 76 and 65 of the County Governments Act, Section 4 of the Public Appointments Act 2017, Section 34 or 3 of the Public, or by appointing one Kenneth Mwetiriongo as Chief Officer without County Assembly approval is a Contravention Act, Section 45, 55. Competitively sourced are recommended by the County Public Service Board, and it ends with the approval of the County Assembly that the Constitution has created a mechanism of correcting a mess that the residents and electorates maybe of Meru County might have created by electing one Honorable Kawira Mwangaza into the office of the Governor of Meru County. And that mechanism is provided for in the Constitution through Article 181 of the Constitution, Section 33 of the County Governments Act, and Standing Order number 65 of this County Assembly. And that is through impeachment, so that we can be able to correct a mess that was created during elections or a mess that was created by democracy, Honorable Speaker. And we, the representatives of the people, we have made a decision, Honorable Speaker, that we must bring back the glory, bring back the dignity, bring back the Meru County that we knew, Honorable Speaker, that was avowed and honored all over in this country and beyond, Honorable Speaker. Nowadays, Honorable Speaker, if you go to Nairobi and people ask you where you are coming from, you tell them you are coming from Meru County, they will ask you, Meru County of Ngabana Kawira Mwangaza. And you see people astonished why, Honorable Speaker, because we have been exposed to shame, to ridicule, and to all things that we can't even think of, Honorable Speaker. Therefore, Honorable Speaker, we are doing this for our motherland. And in borrowing ones from one person, Honorable Speaker, we say, if we win, we'll win for our mother and Meru County. And if we die, we'll die for our mother and Meru County.